In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock chart position when switching timeframes in Tradingview. If you've ever been analyzing a specific historical moment on your chart, and the moment you change timeframes, the view snaps back to the most recent candle. You know how frustrating that can be. The good news is T here is a simple setting that keeps your place, so you can move between intervals without losing the exact slice of history you are studying. Here is how to set it up. Start by right-clicking anywhere on the chart area. This opens a context menu with options specific to the chart. From that menu, select Settings. A window will appear with several tabs along the side. Navigate to the Scales tab, which controls how your chart axes and positioning behave. In this tab, look for the checkbox labeled Save Chart Left Edge Position when changing interval. Check that box, then click OK to apply your changes. What did you just enable? In simple terms, Tradingview will now remember the left edge of your visible chart, the earliest bar you can currently see when you switch intervals. So if you are focused on a particular event in the past, changing from, say, the 1-hour view to the 15-minute view will keep the chart anchored to that same moment in time instead of jumping forward to the live price. You'll still be able to pan and zoom freely, but interval changes won't knock you off your target area. This is especially helpful for multi-timeframe analysis. For example, you might identify a setup on the daily chart. Then drop down to the 4-hour and 1-hour to refine your entry, all while staying centered on the same historical region. It's also great for backtesting or studying how a catalyst played out across different granularities, without constantly having to scroll back. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.